presented by Lee Kossel and Feigley Attorneys at Law.
Let's get you right to Jane King live at the NASDAQ in New York City.
Still more federal scrutiny for TikTok?
That's right, and it seems to be stepping up. Scott and Hannah, so the Federal Trade Commission has been investigating TikTok over privacy and data security. The commission is looking into allegations that TikTok and its Chinese parent ByteDance deceived U.S. users by denying that people in China had access to their data and also violated a children's privacy law. Well, the future of Kroger and Albertsons' planned merger could hinge on Walmart, according to the Wall Street Journal. Now, in February, the Federal Trade Commission sued Kroger over its roughly $25 billion potential merger of Albertsons, arguing the deal would be monopolistic and likely to raise prices. Kroger is contesting this. They're noting that Walmart, though not traditionally classified as a supermarket, is actually the undisputed leader in grocery sales. Its total grocery sales are nearly double that of Kroger. And the majority, about 60% of Americans surveyed with annual incomes of more than $250,000, said the maximum price they're willing to pay out of pocket for weight loss drugs is more than $300 per month. Only about 4% of people with annual incomes of less than $75,000 said the same thing. That's according to Evercore ISI. Now, the weight loss drugs are running about $1,000 a month before discounts. And South Korea's SK Hynix plans to invest roughly $4 billion to build an advanced chip packaging facility in West Lafayette. This is a company that does a lot of business with NVIDIA. Now, the facility will be close to Purdue, which is one of the U.S.'s biggest semiconductor and microelectronics engineering programs. The Wall Street Journal reports it's expected to receive state and federal grants and will employ 800 to 1,000 people when it opens in 2028. Stocks soared yesterday. The Dow is up 477 points. Today does end the first quarter, and it's been quite a good quarter for stocks. The S&P 500 is up 10% so far this year. Markets will be closed tomorrow for the Good Friday holiday. Live from the NASDAQ market site, I'm Jane King. Back to you.
And Jane, we're just in the beginning of spring, but already signs of summer. Dairy Queen is promoting its blizzards.
Oh, yeah, they're offering customers a peek into the DQ freezer for the summer. So the lineup does feature two returning flavors, the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard Treat and the Brownie Batter Blizzard Treat, among some other flavors.
I'll just hem and haw and stare at the board for a while and order an Oreo one anyway. So
That's my go-to always as well.
yeah. Old
Yeah,
habits
try
die
them
hard.
all.
There you
Summer's,
go.
3 months long.
Thank you, Jane.